Today I'll show how to buy shares of Eshallgo Inc. using the ticker EHGO listed on NASDAQ. Eshallgo operates in the industrial technology sector, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example platform. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your balance. Use the platform search and type the ticker EHGO to find Eshallgo Inc. Select the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview, recent news, and the price chart. Confirm the page shows Eshallgo Inc. with the EHGO NASDAQ listing before continuing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review all details, and then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow this example.